Welcome in this IONIFLASH MACH NG TF ESE terminal installation tutorial. Screw the ESE terminal on the pole. Do not use potential tips for screwing process. Tighten the ESE terminal with flat spanner. Screw the locking screw. Connect the cable and lock with a 1/4 turn. Fasten the cable with SS collar. Leave some slack to avoid any tension on the cable. Leave 60 centimeters spacing between fastening collars. Install the whole system and poles. Fasten the cable along the down conductor with SS collars. Control and test the ESE air terminal. Put the protection cap. Make a loop if accessing cable. Always fasten the cable and connector with protection cap upward. IONIFLASH MACH NG TF ESE terminal is lightweight and strong. The installation is easy, fast and secured. ESE terminal is without embedded electronic. It's 10 years guarantee and UL certified.